Get out of my yard, clap. Hey guys, 3 boxes. Triple the fun today. Can I open them up? CZ. Oh shoot! Oh no, I forgot my CZ earrings. You know, it was a game time decision this morning when I walked out the door. It was either these, I wear my pearls almost every day, or my CZ earrings. Why did I? Gosh, guys, you should have let me know. Dang, all right. Well, I have these great CZ earrings. The reason I purchased them at Jewelry Television was because I didn't want to buy a big old pair of diamonds. I wanted a diamond simulant. We will deep dive into the world of diamonds and diamond simulants today. Second box, ready? Moissanite. So Moissanite is another diamond simulant. It is a lab-created stone, just like CZ. Looks like a diamond, is not a diamond. So we will dive further into the differences between CZ, Moissanite, and diamond. And I'm guessing this box is gonna be diamond. Am I right, guys? Lab-grown diamond. So all of these, I guess, are gonna be colorless. I could be surprised. I don't know if we're gonna have jewelry today, but that's okay because learning about stones is just as fun. Okay, ready? Okay, I am thoroughly surprised because there is a ring. Oh my gosh. Does it fit on my ring finger? He liked it. He put a ring on it. Just kidding. What do you think? It looks good with my watch. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. All right, everyone. Remember, the ring I put on my left ring finger is a CZ, and we've got a loose CZ right here. So when I look at this, I can, you know, I'm thinking, all right, that it's colorless. It's cut. Okay, so CZ, it's about an 8.5 on the Mohs. It's a bit more affordable. CZ was originally found as an inclusion in zircon. The CZ that we see today in the market at Jewelry Television is actually lab created. Okay, so CZ stands for cubic zirconia. CZ is not the same thing as zircon just because there's some similarities there, so don't get them mixed up. CZ comes in different colors. It can be made different colors in the lab. So a little timeline for CZ, it was first discovered in zircon as an inclusion in like the 1930s. The first process to kind of make CZ, they were throwing that around in the 1960s, but the first commercial grade or commercially sold CZ was in the 1970s. Commercial, that would mean, you know, stuff that you and I are gonna be buying, stuff that JTV sells. Commercial is what the population can get. So we are always happy to have CZ here. I think I probably own more CZ than diamonds, which is, you know, it's pretty cool. Now we're gonna open up the Moissanite box. Oh my gosh, guys, 2 engagement rings? Wow. I think you got the size wrong. This is like a size 7. I think I'm like a 6.5. Alrighty, so Moissanite was first discovered by Dr. Moissan in Arizona. It was from a meteorite. Moissanite is a simulant of diamonds. So simulant means something, you know, like a colorless stone that looks like a diamond, but it isn't a diamond. Moissanite has been said to have been found in Mother Nature, but the Moissanite that we have today, across the business, it's gonna be lab created. And that is, it's super cool that we can make stones that look like diamonds in the lab. What I'm really excited about, it's super cool. We've got a little crystal right here. We have a cut stone. I've got my rings on. Okay, this is the lab grown diamond. What? Wow, that's really pretty. CZ is now off my left hand. Wowzers, doesn't that look nice, guys? The CZ is gonna go, put it right there. I'm all decked out. We've got another one, wow. All right, so we're not gonna get too bogged down in the details of how mined diamonds are actually made. If you wanna learn more about that, there is a video that we're gonna throw to, and you can click on that and make sure you like and subscribe to learn more about the diamond process. Lots of heat, lots of pressure. There's a violent eruption that brings it closer to the surface, and then really smart scientists can figure out where those diamonds are and how to get to them. Really brief, really quick explanation of diamonds, but that's okay because we've kind of covered that already. What I'm excited today to cover with you are lab-grown diamonds. So, basics of lab-grown diamonds. Lab-grown and mined diamonds, mined comes from the earth, lab-grown comes from the lab. They are chemically, optically, physically the same. So, carbon, they're gonna look the same on my hand. They're gonna play with light the same way. So if I had this ring and I had another ring with the exact same design, the same carat weight, unless you have that under a microscope, unless you're a highly trained gemologist working in a lab with some big equipment, you're probably not gonna be able to tell the difference. So lab grown, there's actually 2 types of lab processes to make a diamond in the lab. The first one, it's called HPHT, and that stands for high pressure, high temperature. High pressure, high temperature is basically what diamonds go through in Mother Nature. The pressure that a diamond in the lab must go through is roughly equivalent to that of having 4,500 elephants sitting on your chest. Now, folks, I have never had an elephant sit on my chest. In fact, I don't really get too close to elephants unless I'm at the zoo. So try and wrap your brain around having an elephant on your chest and then multiply that by 4,500, and that's what these diamonds have to go through. Now, the other half of that equation is temperature. The temperature is about 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is roughly equivalent to what a spaceship goes through when it enters the atmosphere. Now, I have never had an elephant sit on my chest, and I have never been in a spaceship that was entering an atmosphere. And frankly, folks, I'm never gonna be in either of those two situations. So the only thing I can do is try and appreciate how much these diamonds go through to get to my finger, which I think is so stinking cool that we are able to do that in a lab, and there's scientists that were able to figure this out, and they were able to mimic Mother Nature, and that we have both mine diamonds and lab-grown diamonds, and I get one on my hand today. I mean, folks, I could just keep going on and on and on about how cool that we are able to have lab-created gemstones and lab-grown diamonds. So that is probably the closest thing that we have to what happens in Mother Nature. The next process that we have, it's called CVD. CVD stands for chemical vapor deposition. So the basics for CVD are this. You have methane gas, and it passes through this like microwave plasma technology. Super cool stuff. Then you heat the plasma, and when you're heating the plasma, you have carbon that precipitates down onto a seed plate. And a seed plate is diamond. It can be mined diamond, and it can be lab-grown diamond. But the benefit of having that diamond there is it's kind of like a blueprint, and it helps carbon grow to a diamond. And that's as technical as we're getting today because I don't want you all to fall asleep. Today, what I want you to remember is lab-grown diamond, two processes. HPHT, think elephants and spaceships, and CVD, think really cool plasma technology and seed plates. So let's say that you are a consumer, you're looking to buy either a mined diamond, a diamond simulant, or maybe a lab-grown diamond. How do you tell the difference? Think about it on the Mohs scale. We've talked about 10 to 1, 10 being the hardest. Diamond is at a 10. Moissanite is at like a 9.25, and CZ is between an 8, 8.5. So over time, CZ is probably gonna wear a little bit quicker than a diamond and a moissanite. And what I always thought was really interesting was when I was in gem school, I was looking at the facet edges. On a diamond, it was very sharp. You didn't have any abrasions or wear. That's not gonna be the case on a CZ. It's gonna show wear and abrasions quicker. You know, over time, the edges won't be as sharp. You know, some people, maybe they want a big, beautiful piece of jewelry that looks like a diamond, but they don't have the bank account quite yet to afford that. You can purchase a CZ or a moissanite. I bought my CZ earrings because they were affordable, they were beautiful, and I wear them all the time. So the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission, recently just said, you know, a diamond is a diamond, whether optically, physically, chemically, a lab-grown diamond and a mined diamond, a diamond is a diamond. So whether you are searching for a lab-grown diamond or a diamond, just know that the FTC, they regulate all of this. They would not see anything less beautiful or more beautiful about the beautiful stone in my ring. So the one thing I need you all to remember about CZ, moissanite, and diamond, and not just lab-grown diamond like we're talking about today, but mined diamond. So diamond in general is the colors. Now, you may be thinking, oh my gosh, Natalie, this is a colorless gemstone. Why are you talking about colors? I'm talking about colors because of dispersion. So moissanite has more dispersion than a diamond, and diamond has more dispersion than a CZ. So what's dispersion? Dispersion is the spectral colors. Think of those as rainbow colors that you're gonna see when a stone is looking back at you. If you think about a prism, when white light goes through a prism, it splits it into spectral colors. That's what's happening in these gems. So moissanite is gonna have more of those rainbow colors than a diamond, and a diamond is gonna have more of those rainbow colors than a CZ. So just remember simulants and lab grown. I really hope that you all learned something today. I hope that we can touch on this in the future and we can dive further into how diamonds are made, how lab-grown diamonds are made, how CZ is made, and where you can find moissanite. So stay tuned. We will have more fun stuff coming up in the future. All right, everyone, thank you so much for joining today. I want you to take a closer look at my manicure looks great, but what looks even better is the CZ, moissanite, and lab-grown diamonds on my hands. so much for watching today. I hope you learned as much as I learned about lab-grown diamonds. I can't wait to purchase one, or maybe I'll just be wearing this ring for the rest of today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Look, we've got some really, really cool stuff coming up in the future of this channel. I'm so excited to talk to you more about CZ and Moissanite, to talk about lab-grown diamonds, and maybe we'll even get some mine diamonds on here. Tell your friends, tell them what you learned today, and maybe, if I cross my fingers, we'll get some more gem nerds on the channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope to see you soon.